Welcome back. Continuing the news. Hotel workers continue to take their grouses to the streets. Those employed to the Excellence Oyster Bay Hotel in Falmouth, Trelawney staged a protest today demanding better wages and improved working conditions. Amoy Harriet has the details.
For months, these workers say they have been voicing their grievances to management, but they have seemingly fallen on deaf ears. It is for that reason they staged a protest Monday demanding better wages, accessibility to staff buses, better quality of food in the canteen, among other issues.
So this morning when they come, they were trying to get us over by the hotel, and we stand as a union right now to say that we're not going over because they told us that we'll be getting double paid for today that the protest is going on. Only today, so we're getting double paid for today. Why would you say that we're going to get double pay for today if there's nothing wrong? Why would you pay us double for today out of all the days of the year? Why today? When we choose to take a stand, that's what I'm trying to say.
He says the management came outside and persuaded them to work, but they decided against it.
I get 31,000 a fortnight. That is rubbish. I pay 10,000 for insurance, 20,000 for my daughter. I have to still book shuffle to come and work. Beg money here and there, borrow money here and there to reach a work for the week. Hand to mouth. Hand to mouth. And it can't work. It can't work. We're not having it. We're not having it. It cannot work. And we need something to be done.
This other worker took issue with the uniforms.
They don't want you to take home the uniform where you can carry home and go wash it properly. More time you come and you put on the clothes, it itch you, it scratch you because it now wash properly. So people have to go to doctor, people rush up. So I'm more money out of the little bit of pay where you have to spend for doctor. I am a bar server and I'm doing so many things outside of my contract that has nothing to do with the bar. Exactly. Dirty clothes you have to wear. Running belly food. You come and you buy more tissues out of your pay more than when you buy food you go pay you go give it to them and pay your bills.
The workers told TVJ News that they also want union representation. Audrey Headley, a union representative from the Bustamante Trade Union, was also at the protest.
I'm here trying to get the information, get their grievances, what they're having, and also to have them to unionize with the union, because without the union they will have no voice, as we will be their lawyer, we will be their voice.
Now, this protest brings to 3 the number of protests by hotel workers in recent weeks. Just last week, workers at Iberia Star in St. James and Secrets and Breathless Resorts in Trelawney were restive. Prior to that, on Heroes Day, workers at Royalton Negril stayed off the job. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
We can